Kaunti-ini ya Kakamega ni kwa atwarithia miithikiri matabanitie mathako itemini ria guthomithia muingi uhoro wiigii murimu wa Marùngo niguo arthritis na kuria mahingurire kliniki ya murimu ucio mwena wa Rukanyi gicigo-ini kia ithwiro ria bururi kuona nikuo gukoragwo na ugwati wa andu kunyitwo ni murimu ucio kumana na heho nene.
And we are doing this right for 3 reasons. 1, creating awareness for arthritis. 2, raising funds to put up a medical facility for arthritis center. And 3, to make our people healthy.
Tunataka kujaribu kuelimisha jamii kwamba ugonjwa wa arthritis si uchawi. Ugonjwa wa arthritis ni ugonjwa kama ugonjwa zingine na inaweza tibika na tunaweza imudu.
Hihi murimu ucio wa Marùngo unyitaga mundu ku na ni atia mundu angika niguo kuhurana maururu magwa na hihi unyitaga andu othe. Elizabeth Okoth uria uhigireire maundu macio ni aratarithia.
Arthritis in affect tuseme kama mguu, the joints, yeah? So if it affects, it will break down the cartilage, the fluid, so bone they start rubbing on each other. Kwa hivyo it makes the person not be able to move, causes a lot of pain, and in like the elderly it's the most common form of disability. Alafu tuko na arthritis ingine ya watoto inaitwa the juvenile arthritis. This one causes arthritis among children 15 years and below, and it can also affect the knees, the wrists, and it causes disability in children. Na another one which is very common sana sana kwa wanaume sasa inaitwa gout. Kwa hivyo gout is also a form of arthritis which is caused by a lot of uric acid which cannot be eliminated by the kidney. So unaona watu wenye wanapenda kama nyama choma sana na chumvi, they can get that gout. And then tuko na ingine inaitwa rheumatoid. So rheumatoid sana sana it alters what we call the immune function. So the body inaanza kuattack itself. So it attacks itself and then it can cause also the swelling, the redness. Kwa hivyo, how do you reduce? Tuwezi sema you can prevent totally, but kuna ways unaweza reduce the risk of kupata arthritis. First of all, ni kufanya exercises, especially exercises which are not too much on your joints, yeah? Kama walking, riding, that is why we have the riders to show physical activity, swimming, yeah? And then also you wanna watch your weight, you eat a healthy diet. Yeah, but we can also, for those who have gotten it, also for the treatment, first and foremost, kuna madawa that can help to reduce the cause of that disease, so that the body can stop attacking each other.
Na tondu ndaigwa murimu ucio wa Marùngo no unyite mwiri handu hothe, hau naho Elizabeth okuga atia.
Arthritis can also affect other body organs, like rheumatoid inaweza affect hata the heart, hata the lungs, hata the kidneys, but also the spine. And then ukiona most of us here who are also supporting our mothers in one way or the other, the people we loved are also affected by arthritis. Unaona kama senior superintendent, director wa polisi yako hapa, he's here also. The mother is affected. So we really want this word to be outside here to create awareness, because people talk a lot about other diseases, HIV na nini, lakini watu wengi hawajui about arthritis. Now many people are getting disabled, wengine have to go for spinal surgeries due to arthritis. So we want to do much about it ndio iende until we cascade it the whole of Kenya.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni Ng'endo wa Njogu.